Hello, everybody. Today we're going to be learning about the season of summer. So here's a few vocabulary words you're going to keep a lookout for. The first one is distinct, and distinct is basically different. So look at that red pencil is different from all of the other black pencils in line. So it's different. Distinct is something that stands out. Indoors, obviously you guys know what that is. That's being inside, indoors. The next one is sunscreen. Very important to put on when we go outside and play. Then we have thermometer. Thermometer is what reads the temperature outside. Oh, look at those pretty pictures. Dear kindergartners, hi from your pen pal Annie. Today I'm going to tell you all about summer. What kinds of things do you think of when I say summer? This is what I think of. My favorite season of the year is definitely summer because I love the warm weather and sunshine. Summertime means vacation because I don't have school during the summer months. At the beginning of summer, our part of the earth receives the most sunlight that we get all year long. The days are the longest they will be all year in the summer. In most of the United States, the summer season begins in the month of June and includes the months of July and August. No matter where you live in the United States, summertime will bring the warmest weather of the year. One way to tell how warm it is outside is to look at a thermometer. Remember that thermometer is a tool that measures the temperature. When it's cool outside, the liquid in the thermometer stays down in the lower part of the thermometer. When it's warm outside, the liquid rises in the thermometer and comes closer to the top. Which thermometer do you think shows what temperature it might be in the summertime? This one or this one? The first one or the second one? Oh yeah, the first one. Do you remember that when we talked about winter months, we said we could also tell how cold it was by the way people dressed? Well, the same is true for summer. You can tell how warm it is by the way people are dressed. All of these people are dressed for warm weather. What do you notice about the way that they're dressed? Well, we have short sleeves, no shirts, shorts. Here's short sleeves. Bathing suits. He's in a bathing suit. And definitely sunglasses. Gonna need those. As I've told you before, I live in Washington, D.C., the capital of the United States. My teacher says that Washington, D.C. is a good city to learn about when studying the seasons because here the 4 seasons are distinct from one another, so which means they're very different. It's easy to tell by walking outside or looking out the window whether it's winter, spring, summer, or fall. Summer is the busiest time of year in Washington, D.C. because each year millions of Americans come to visit the famous monuments, museums, and buildings during their summer vacations. The city gets really crowded during the summer, but I like to see all the different kinds of people downtown. It's a lot of people. During the summer, the weather can be very hot in Washington, D.C. See how high the liquid is in the thermometer to the left? It says it's 100 degrees Fahrenheit. That means it's really hot outside. It is a good thing there are so many vendors who sell cold refreshments like ice cream and snow cones to help the visitors cool off. The trees in Washington, D.C. are full of green leaves during the summer. In my neighborhood, there are lots of parks with grassy areas that are mowed so people can enjoy them. On weekends, many of the neighbors are out working in their flower beds and gardens. I like to go to the local swimming pool to keep cool in the summer, and lots of other people have the same idea. Everyone at the pool is wearing plenty of sunscreen so they do not get sunburned. Nothing ruins summer fun like a bad sunburn. Sometimes you can rest under shady trees to protect yourself from the hot sun. Other people simply stay indoors, especially on the hottest days. The 4th of July is the biggest summer holiday, and it is an especially important day in Washington, D.C. The 4th of July is the birthday of the United States, and many people celebrate the day with family and friends. Lots of friends have picnics or barbecues and take trips to the beach. I like to go to parades during the day on the 4th of July and then to the booming, colorful fireworks at night. I also love eating lots of watermelon. Thanks to the 4th of July and trips to the pool and beach, I always think of fun times when I think about summer. What is it like during your summer where you live? Your friend Annie. Okay, so you're going to answer this activity. What is your favorite activity in the summer and why is it your favorite? And then you're just going to draw me a picture of something you can do in the summertime. So I hope you had fun learning about the summer. I can't wait for it to be summertime. Good job, my friends.